Saudara, tuaian durian bagi musim baharu di Malaysia dijangka lebih rendah berbanding tahun lalu. Dengan para penjual menyatakan keadaan cuaca pada minggu-minggu mendatang dijangka menjejas mutu dan jualan tuaian.
Ultimately, we need to factor in the weather as well. If let's say every day heavy rain, right, the consequences of the durian quality will be very bland or unripe.
If durian is bad, the price is going to be very cheap. It doesn't matter whether the season is there's a lot of durian or there's lesser durian. Usually the thing that happens and affect the price too much, right, is not actually the durian or the tree itself. It's actually by other deciding factors like consumers. Consumers stop buying.
Para penjual kini mula beralih ke wadah online bagi mendekati para pelanggan. Melalui penstriman langsung, pelanggan boleh menyaksikan buah durian dipotong secara langsung. Encik Kwak misalnya berkata hasil penjualan online-nya melonjak 50% berbanding tempoh sama tahun lalu.